So for this dragon fruit smoothie recipe, I thought I should just get a different type of dragon fruit compared to the last week's recipes, which was dragon fruit smoothie for weight loss or banana dragon fruit smoothie. So at the market, I picked out a couple of yellow dragon fruit to make a delicious tropical smoothie. Let's get started on this yellow dragon fruit smoothie recipe and stay till the end, as I will share what's the difference with the yellow dragon fruit versus the pink dragon fruit. We start with 1/2 of yellow dragon fruit. To this I add equal amount of mango pulp. For the liquid base, I am using coconut milk, as the combination of mango and coconut milk is like drinking ice cream. This version of this dragon fruit tropical smoothie is so average, right? So to make it more of a healthy dragon fruit smoothie, I am adding moringa. Moringa leaves from a couple of sprigs is all that is needed here. Moringa leaves are rich in antioxidants and bioactive plant compounds, and I can go on about the benefits, but that's for another video. Blend, blend, blend. And meanwhile, let's talk about what's the difference between a pink dragon fruit from a yellow dragon fruit. Color. This one has yellow shell with a white flesh, while this one has red or pink shell with dark pink flesh. Shape. This one is elliptical with spiked ears, while this one is round and the ears are raised and curved. Taste. The yellow dragon fruit is sweeter than the pink or the red or the white flesh fruit. So when it comes to taste, it's the yellow dragon fruit which wins, but for looks, it's the pink dragon fruit. Maybe God should have had a hybrid. Now after blending, serve the drink in your favorite glass, and hey, don't take too much of yellow dragon fruit just because it tastes good, as you would find yourself visiting the restroom soon. If this video was worth your time, why don't you check out another dragon fruit tropical smoothie or a vegan milkshake? Under 100 calories, and until next time, see you later and stay safe.